welcome everyone. We are back here for our Tuesday Talk series, and today I have at this perfect place in the world, the perfect latte, Miss Charyse Williams. Ta-da! She is an amazing person with amazing energy. Such beautiful energy she has that we instantly connected. She's like this ray of sunshine. She brought, always I think of sunshine whenever I see her and I hug her. So she is all about what ways we can put in value to our community to help people live an enriched life. So she has tons of tips, tricks up her belt. She's very creative and she's all about giving. You know, just like Han, who is the owner of this perfect latte. Keep coming. So we are all people who love to give, shower our love.
Yes.
So welcome so much.
Thank you.
We sit here sipping my tea and her
Chai latte.
chai latte. I got another chai person. And what's Han drinking here?
Chai as well.
Chai. Cheers. The perfect sip at the perfect latte.
That's right.
So thank you so much for being here, taking the time and coming out here. You're welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Just sitting with her and her on just makes me feel so happy. So tell us, what made you embark on this journey? What inspired you to do what you love doing?
So, excellent question. It's very interesting. So my background is nursing. I was an ICU nurse for years, 10, 11 years. And what ended up happening was I started to look for different ways on outside of just traditional medicine. And I stumbled in 2009. I stumbled across this whole raw vegan thing, and I don't even know how I stumbled across it. I think it actually just it attracted it to me somehow, some way, and I don't know. But what really appealed to me about it was the way that foods can help to heal your body on a cellular level, like really nourish and heal your body on a cellular level. That just was so intriguing to my science brain. And I thought, wow, this is so neat. I need to share this information with people. There are people out there that's suffering, and so why keep that information to myself? So that was what really kind of piqued my interest, was just the whole science behind how food, unadulterated, just straight from the earth, the way God made it, just from ingesting that, how that could help heal the body. So it appealed to my science nursing brain, that type of thing. And then I think at a core, I'm just naturally I love to share information. I love to teach people. And so it just came to a point where I was like, okay, I have to share this information. But it almost didn't. Like you know.
I know. If I can describe her in one word, she's all about sharing, okay? How can I help? Can I do something to help you with that? She's always asking this sort of questions. So I'm not surprised at all if she has got a wealth of knowledge. Of course, she loves to share it. We all do, right? Knowledge has no power if you don't share it with people.
Absolutely.
So you said you were a registered nurse at the ICU for how many years did you say?
11. I think it was 11 years. Yeah.
So that's wonderful. So many doctors and nurses are getting on board and bringing this ancient wisdom back.
Right.
So how long have you been pursuing this, and what is your goal?
So it's been since 2000. Well, unofficially 2009, officially 2017, that I got certified as a raw vegan chef and raw vegan chef / instructor. What is my goal? Really just to help as many people as I can, as many people as I can, to reclaim their health. And that's been all their life in the kitchen. A lot of times people think, oh, I don't have time to cook, or I don't have time to prepare healthy meals because I don't have the time to spend in the kitchen. But one thing about me is that everything that I prepare is 10 or 15 minutes flat.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen either.
You need to get her. You need to get her into your homes and get all the recipes. That's amazing. Healthy, all vitality food, prepped in 15 minutes.
Yes. Or
Wow.
less.
Or
Preferably.
Oh,
Or less. Because you don't have to cook it. Because you don't have to cook it, you just prepare it. And I'll just say this too, a lot of times when people hear raw vegan, they think, oh, it's salads and smoothies. Which, of course, you can eat salads and smoothies, and those are really quick
love salads and
fix.
smoothies too.
Yeah, but there's so many other possibilities. Like literally, the possibilities are endless. From avocado stuffed portobello mushrooms, 10 minutes, to zucchini noodles with marinara sauce. So you kind of have like your spaghetti. 10 minutes.
Oh,
10 minutes.
sounds so yum. I guess
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry. I am a foodie. Me and my husband are foodie. And as you were saying, kitchen should be the center of the household
Yes.
where everybody, usually in our house, it is always, most of the time we spend in the kitchen.
Right.
So that's wonderful that you have these inspiring, short time recipes that are healthy,
Yes.
that are easily doable. Something simple and doable is sustainable.
Simple. That is my
right?
middle name. Simple.
Yes. So that's wonderful. So I was so blown away with one of the juices that you brought, okay? So I'll ask you to give the recipe for that
Yes.
because she came to one of my classes and she brought this yum juice, which of course I finished it right there and then. And then she's so sweetheart and thoughtful that she is. She also brought an extra bottle for my husband. And I kept it aside to share it with him. But then on my way back from the class to my house, which is 10 minutes, somehow the bottle got empty. It
Okay.
disappeared.
It evaporated.
It was that yummy. What was that juice?
Oh my
Did you
gosh.
buy it?
So I love that. That is probably one of my favorite things to drink. It is a ginger hibiscus lemonade. And it's so good. And so simple. It's like 4 or 5 recipes. It literally is hibiscus leaves, fresh squeezed lemon juice, fresh squeezed orange juice, dates as the sweetener, and water. That's it.
Wow.
That's it. It's so
Ginger
good.
hibiscus lemonade.
Yes, yeah.
Yum.
And it's so refreshing. You can drink it, of course, in the summertime as a nice, cool, refreshing drink. But you can also warm it, and you can have it as a warm tea, or if the weather's not, if it's cold or rainy outside, just drink it as a warm tea.
Yes.
It's so soothing and it's so healthy.
So healthy and refreshing. That's
And
what I
refreshing,
remember.
absolutely.
Because I didn't feel hungry. I felt really full. I didn't feel hungry for a long time, and I had to add some zest. I had added my lime essential oil and ginger. So I really felt so full.
Yeah.
So it was like detox happening.
Right.
So
And that's the one thing too with raw vegan food is that because it's so nutrient dense. I mean, it's chock full of pretty much every vitamin, mineral, everything that you need for your body. You don't have to eat a whole lot because you're literally nourishing yourself on a cellular level. Your body's getting every single thing that it needs. A lot of times we eat lots of other stuff and it's void of real substance and real nutrition. And so yeah,
Yes.
that's another reason why I love
as
that.
they say, right? Eat your food as your medicine. I keep telling the
Yes.
kids, or else you'll be ending up eating your medicines as
Right.
your food.
Absolutely.
You never want to get there. So
No.
preventatively.
Yes.
At the same time, having fun because they're yum and they're easily doable, simple.
Yes.
So we can do it.
Yeah, and
That's
I-
amazing.
I'm sorry, I was gonna say I always say too, like with recipes, I don't look at recipes as if they're sacred. Just use it as a base and throw your love into it. Throw whatever you feel like you're tasting. Let your creativity just flow, and don't be so rigid with it. It should be a form of love. It should be a form of not just health and healing and wellness, but again, people when they eat your food or drink your drink, they should feel the love that you put into
I
it.
definitely
Even
feel-
in 10 minutes.
I definitely feel.
I'm glad.
So that's wonderful. That's me. Like
Yeah.
everything should be customizable to my own needs.
To your palate, right?
To everybody's
Absolutely.
individual, unique palate.
That's right.
So that's really
That's right.
fun. So tell me a little bit about your journey. Like you're taking people along with you to
Right.
your journey. What inspired you to do that?
Yeah, so great question. And I kind of alluded to it earlier when I said it almost didn't come to fruition. So this was back in 2000, I believe it was 15, and I went to a conference in where was it? California, San Diego, in fact, with Lisa Nichols. I don't know if you're familiar with Lisa Nichols. Yeah. And anyway, so I found myself sitting next to her business coach. So that's kind of like sitting next to like Oprah's business coach. And anyway, she was like, well, what are you wanting to do? And so I shared with her a little bit about how excited I was about, raw vegan, eating that way, and just how it can help people, heal their bodies, chronic illnesses, acute illnesses, that type of thing. And but in my mind, I thought, oh, what I'll do is I'll lose a whole lot of, because one of the things that that you can experience, that you do experience with eating raw vegan, is that weight loss very quickly. Although you don't have to, you can still sustain your weight on a raw vegan diet. But one thing that you definitely can experience, if that's what you're wanting, is extreme weight loss, energy out of the roof, mental clarity, like getting rid of all that mental fog, that brain fog. So many things, clearer skin. I mean, I think probably one of the best things, better sleep. But one of the greatest things for me is just increased energy. So anyway, I was sharing that with her, and but I said, but what I think I think I should just lose all this weight first, and then I'll tell people about it. She was like, no, I think you should. I think you're missing it. I think you should take them on the journey. And I thought, nah, that doesn't sound good. So then fast forward a few years later, I was on vacation and I was sitting on, we were in Jamaica, I was sitting on the balcony and literally just clear as day, I heard as clear as day, just take them on the journey. And in that moment, it just resonated. I'm like, I can do that. I can take people on the journey. Everyone is on their own journey anyway. Some people just for better health, better energy, weight loss. I mean, there's so many things that we're all on different journeys, really to just be the better version of ourselves, right?
Yes.
And so in that moment, I remember thinking, wow, how selfish of me to try to keep all that information to myself when people are suffering. People are suffering and not living their best lives. So I decided to just take people on the journey. Take them on the journey.
One precious life to live, right?
Right.
Live each day most vibrantly, because I feel there is no
Yes.
upper limit. There's no
No.
upper limit to being healthy.
No.
Every day you can be more and more and more. right?
Absolutely.
So
And that's the goal.
incredible.
That's
Thank
the
you
goal.
so much
Oh
for
my gosh.
sharing
Oh,
that
you're
with
welcome.
us. That's really incredible. So getting to the last part, would you mind sharing with our viewers what kind of support do you seek from the community or the people who are in your tribe, who are into this health and wellness journey? How do you think about supporting them?
So one thing is I do teach classes, raw vegan class.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power. Raw vegan classes, and all the classes are listed on the website. I don't know if you want me to give the website later. No.
Yeah, tell them.
Okay, so it's
Share.
greenandgorjus.com, and it's green spelled traditionally and spelled traditionally. Gorgeous is the one that's a little different. So gorgeous is Gorjus. So greenandgorjus.com.
I love green.
Yes,
green and
green is life.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
GORJUS.com.
Yes, green and gorgeous.
Thank you. Okay.
And so, so I teach classes for the community and for people who just wanting to incorporate just more fun recipes into their repertoire. A lot of times, just eating a traditional diet, we know, okay, spaghetti, meatloaf, chicken, this, that. But when you think raw vegan, you think salads and smoothies maybe, and which are great, but let's just face it, no one wants to eat that every single day. So that's why I like to equip people with tools and recipes that they can kind of put in their little pocket, so when they're wanting a healthy meal, they can just easily go to that.
Cool is that?
Yeah, and I'm so excited about the event that we have here.
Tell us more about the event.
At the Perfect Latte. It is February 22nd at noon, and we're going to make the most incredible dessert. It is a mango coconut tart. It is the most delicious dessert like ever. I know, it makes me kind of salivate. It is delicious, yes. And what we're going to do, something a little different, is we're going to have fun. We always have fun. Let me not say that. We always have fun.
We always have fun. Yes, put us together and it's fun.
I was like, if I'm not having fun, I'm not doing it. But another fun element that we're incorporating into the class is we're customizing our desserts, our mango coconut. As if that's not flavorful enough, we're gonna have little essential oils where you can customize with maybe just some lime or maybe wild orange. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that.
Me too.
Yeah.
We all are.
So, yes. So I'm very excited. It's February 22nd at noon here at the Perfect Latte.
Come.
Yes.
To have fun.
Yeah.
And to get healthy and get more information and knowledge. So, amazing time always spent with you. Thank you so much for being
Thank you.
here.
Oh my goodness. I love you to pieces. I said the other day, I feel like we're like soul sisters.
Yes.
Yes.
You're all soul sisters.
Soul sisters.
And we
Yeah.
keep attracting and building our tribe more and
So
more.
true. It's so true.
So,
Yeah.
thank you all for hearing us and see you next Tuesday. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed.
Again?
Are we on?
Yeah.